In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Webflow project into a WordPress site. This process is a fantastic way to take advantage of the design flexibility of Webflow and the powerful content management features of WordPress. It can seem a little daunting at first, but don't worry, I've got you covered step by step. Let's start by opening your Webflow project. Head over to your Webflow dashboard and choose the specific project you'd like to convert. Make sure it's polished and ready for export, as you'll be taking the exact design elements from this project into WordPress. Now, once you're in your project, locate that little icon in the upper design menu known as the 3 lines, or the hamburger menu, as some call it. This icon is your gateway to various project settings and tools. Go ahead and click on it. It might not seem significant at first glance, but it's crucial for accessing the export features we'll need. After opening the menu, search for the option labeled Export Code. This feature is essential because it allows you to take your entire design setup and turn it into a collection of web files. Once you find it, click on Export Code. You'll be presented with a zip of your project files. These include your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and any assets you've incorporated into your site. If you're on a paid Webflow plan, you should have the option to export these files smoothly. Look for and click on the present zip button. This button, when clicked, will download the complete zipped file of your site's code. Ensure that you know where this file has downloaded to because you'll need it in a moment. Next, the journey continues over at the Udesly Nexus application. This tool is key to converting your Webflow package into a WordPress theme. So, go to Udesly Nexus, and once you're there, launch the application. Inside Udesly, you'll notice an option commonly named Webflow to WordPress. This selection is vital as it directs the application to tailor the conversion process to WordPress specifically. Go ahead and click on Webflow to WordPress. This initiates the mechanism that transforms your exported Webflow files into a format compatible with WordPress. Throughout this entire process, remember that the keys to a successful conversion are thoroughness and attention to detail. Each step builds on the previous one, and ensuring you follow them meticulously will result in a seamless transition. Also, keep in mind the aesthetic integrity you're aiming for on your WordPress site. Sometimes minor adjustments may be necessary post-conversion to perfect the look and feel of your site on WordPress. And there you have it, a successfully converted Webflow project into a WordPress theme, ready to be used and customized further within your WordPress environment. With this guide, you should now have the confidence to convert Webflow designs into fully functional WordPress sites, opening up a new realm of possibilities for your web development adventures. Happy converting!